This is Ruben with Route 1 Trailers, and we have Balkran, the design engineer from LCS. And Balkran, can you tell me a little bit about the inside height? I was able to bring this Extreme XP55. It's a 53 feet by 102 trailer, and this is standard deck height. It's not the low profile, but it's the standard one. And my deck height in the middle, it's 60-inch from the ground to the deck. How were you able to achieve 100-inch from the floor to the bottom of the bows?
So based on the deck height, so we can't go any higher than 13'6". So that's the highest you can go. The camber height on this trailer was 60. So that's why we were able to do a 102-inch high system. So on our system, with the frame, you lose 1.5". The tube thickness, that's what it is. And then our uplifts are an inch higher than that. So you lose 2.5" overall. But in this trailer, what we did, we kept the system height at 102, and we have the uplifts at 1 inch high at the front, because the trailer squat down at the front and the back, but the higher area is in the middle. So that's where the camber is. So panel number 2 and panel number 3, we made the uplift flush with the top of the frame. So that's how we're in a legal height. Then we were able to achieve 100-inch high inside.
Can't get the 100-inch high from other tarping system manufacturers. Like, you're kind of the only one company that's able to play so much and adjust so many things in order to get maximum clearance. And plus, you don't upcharge for that.
Yeah, we try to work with the customer. We try to see what they need, and if there's a workaround, we go for it.
Okay, I like to try and measure this and kind of convince myself that this is 100-inch, and I can get inside a load that will be 100-inch, and I can still close this on top. So I'm checking. Here I have 100.5, and I will measure here too, see what I got on this side. I see over here, yes, I see 100.5, so I get even more than that. If my loader will be 100-inch, I can close it. I should have no problem with that.
Yes.
Okay, Balkran, thank you for the explanation.
Thank you.